Sherelle again, and today I have a special guest, my cousin,
Samaya,
and she is from
Savannah,
and I'm from the Wilson family, and she's from
the Wright family.
And today we're going to be doing the paper airplane challenge. So we're going to be doing 3 rounds, and we decorated a little.
Yeah.
So let's get started. So basically, the object of this challenge is to see who paper airplane could go farthest.
Yeah.
So let's get started with the challenge. Okay, who's going first?
You.
Okay. So let's kind of like back up. So. Yeah. Mama, wait. Ready? Set. Go. Oh, guys, wait. No. All right. Ready?
So she went for the first time. This is round 2. So 1-0. So okay. Let me see inside of it.
Wait. No, I'm not talking about fully win. But
All right.
since it's her turn to go first, I'm gonna like hold the camera up closely so you can see how far hers goes. Okay, so are you ready, you guys? Okay, let's go. Cut to it. Oh God. Hers went right there, you guys. Let me just zoom you in. Let me zoom you in. Okay,
I'm gonna do hers.
right here by the top.
Yep.
Okay. Ready? Set. Go. Yes, I went for the
Dang it.
second.
Here's hers. She won. So right now it is 0-2. So this is the last round. How about we do 4 rounds?
So I really think I'm gonna go. Okay, so we're gonna be doing
4 rounds. So this
But
is the first
it's your turn to hold the camera again. So I'm going first.
Yep.
Oh, so
She's gonna.
are you ready?
Yep.
No.
Okay, this is hers.
Well, just don't count that right there.
Yeah, don't cut
because
this.
She just did that last round.
Okay, so
Alright,
you
let's
hold
go.
the camera for me.
All right, come on. Dang it.
I still won, you guys. Tell me down in the comments if I won or not, because I actually see a little, like she's further back like that, and I'm up. So, okay. So,
Whose turn is it? It's 3-0.
actually, it is
3-0.
3-0. So,
Okay, so here we go. You
is
going
mine.
first?
I'm going to.
She's going first.
Okay, you ready?
And here is what mine say. Winner, winner. I'm so happy.
Okay, this is what it sounded outside. In the inside, if I win.
Ha 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 ha.
Okay, you guys ready? Go.
Okay, that's where hers went.
Okay. So,
My turn.
her time. Back up a little bit. Alright. Back up a little bit. This is her right now. Do you think she could back? Is she going to back up some more?
Alright, are you ready?
I am ready.
This is the last round, just so you know. Are you ready? Set,
Go.
Please. Yes!
Dang it. This is hers. So it was 4-0. She won. So I get to look inside her. Everybody knows what I wrote. Read it out loud. Read it out loud.
That's my
I see Sabrina.
round.
No, you're only supposed to read it outside. Inside. So it says ha 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 ha.
I already showed them, but okay. Okay. And that is it for today's video. Bye, you guys.
I need to put me on a video.